Hello everyone. So today I'm gonna put my hair back. For that I'm gonna show you the makeup that I do every day for school. Basically the most natural one, because we are not allowed to have makeup on. I'm just gonna show you the makeup that just will lift your face, that keeps me fresh, especially in the morning before school. So let's get started. Also, I'm gonna show all the products that I use. I washed my face and I did kind of skincare with a tonic and with moisturizer. And also, of course, I put my sunscreen on. You always need your face basically to be safe, so please use your sunscreen. I don't have particularly a makeup base because this is like the minimal makeup what you can get without spending a lot of money. You still need a makeup base, but I just don't use it. But anyway, first I go with the foundation. It is really light. You don't even see you have it, but it just evens your tone so much. I just put it on my face with like dotted so I can blend it out more, and of course in the neck, so you won't have this face and neck difference. This is not natural makeup. It's some goofy makeup. Blend it out with this sponge. Before actually using the sponge, I usually wet it and blends out better, a lot better. And wait, I'm gonna do this right now.
A few moments later.
Okay, I'm back. I was using it back in winter too, and now I can kind of see like the difference is kind of lighter than my skin right now is because it tanned, but you can barely see it. The sponge, by the way, is from Kiko. And for the concealer, I use this Perfect Skin concealer. It is from Mika Simrenikina. She makes cosmetics, and I really love her cosmetics, especially the tonic. I also have used her cleansing foam, and I really loved it. I just put it on my forehead, on my cheeks, under my eyes. Like you see, you can barely see it. I mean, you still can. I just blend it with the finger because the sponge absorbs too much. Amazing. And then under my eyes, I do like 1 here and 3 here just to lift my eyes a little bit. I also put a little bit on my here above my eyes. I don't know why I do that actually. It just feels like right. Now we take the sponge again, have the marks, put concealer on them. Everything around it, I just blend with the sponge again, going really near to your hairline. Also, I do it a little bit on my ears and the beginning of my ears, just again, so it will be as natural as possible. Just coming to the brows, what you need is this kind of brush. This is a tiny pencil. It's great. I stole it from my mom. Anyways, I brush the brows upwards, and then I just fill out where I feel like I need, you know? I don't follow a strict like hairline, like, you know how someone calculates, like here you have a nose, here it should start, here from the eye, here it should end or something. No, I don't. If they're asymmetrical, that's not bad. I mean, we're people, our face can't be fully symmetrical. Tiny little things, it doesn't have to be perfect. Nothing should be perfect. And now coming to my favorite part. By the way, if you want, you can fixate your brows, but I really didn't like this fixating product, so I don't use it anymore. Anyways, coming to the eyes, I love this. I love this with my whole heart. For that, you have to have 2 kind of brushes. The small one, this is like tiny, like really small one. This brush to blend. It's just like just a normal brush. This brush, I'm totally in love with that. I got it for my birthday. And I also take like this palette. Don't mind it. It kind of fell. I don't know how this happens, but like it just did. I use this color, cold toned brown. I just take a little bit like that. Maybe sometimes too much, so I just put it on my hand. You just continue your down eyelid line, and you just go up, like showing you. I take, yeah, and I kind of continue it, drawing it under my eyelashes just to kind of fill it out. Okay, you see the difference, right? It kind of opens your eye, it lifts your eye. I don't know, I just love it. The eyeliner is really different for every single person. I think you need to try to find your type of eyeliner will complement your eyes. I want to blend it out so you can't really see like exact lines. I just take again a little bit of the brown, just put it here. It's not smoky eyes, guys, you're going to school. And I just kind of blend it. Here will be like shook and under. This is really light, really light. You just kind of blend it out, but a little bit color. I honestly am scared of mascara. I'm scared that I will be obsessed with the mascara and then I won't be able to look at myself without mascara. That because I'm never using mascara, only when I'm like going somewhere or like for the Barbie movie. I did mascara for the Barbie movie. Okay, anyways, now coming to the blush, also my favorite part. Here I have this unicorn brush. I really love it. I have this L'Oreal blush. It's really natural. It's perfect for school. It has a little bit highlighter. It just blends out with your skin so good. You will need to take a lot of that. It's not really pigmented. That's what I love about it. You can use the method with this. Like you put your thumb here and your index finger here and you just blend it out here. I used to do this and this actually helped. It does lift your face. But for me, I just like to do where I feel like. I like to start here and then going up. Basically going up your cheekbone, and then I use it a little bit on my hand so it won't be too much. Like you won't be like shook, and then you have like here literally a red spot. You go like, oh damn, now I need to make another cheek red. Now you have 2 red cheeks. You don't want that, okay? We are going to school. We look fresh, we look healthy, we look amazing, we look put together, but no way we're looking sick, okay? I don't know if you can see this, but it's sparkling. The rest, what is left on your brush, you just go a little bit up. Here is the most part, but here you just don't want it to be seen, you know, like here. Yeah. Ooh, what I also love doing about this lip pencil from Essence. It's like really cool toned, but it matches my lip color, you know? I follow the shape. Do not make this kind of lips. You don't want it. Again, you came to school. Natural beauty, just follow your features because your features are already amazing. You don't need to anything. You just enhance them. You just put attention in the right places. You see, I'm not really going up my lips. I'm just, look. You can basically use whatever lip gloss you have. I have this sugar high flavored lip gloss from Victoria's Secret. And this is also really sugary. This is, I mean, sugar high, yeah. It's with the pink sparkles. Oh no, oh no, oh no, the wasp! It smelled sugar! It smelled sugar! It smelled sugar! No, please! 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 Oh. No. Almost died. And I blend it out so the line won't be really visible. I love it. That's it. The makeup is done. Here we go, guys. That's it. Now you go to school and you just try everyone. You just show how badass you are. Just be yourself, okay? Being yourself is the best you can do. Thank you for watching and I wish you good luck in the new school year. Bye bye, see you next video.